Hi guys, it's me Sarah. I just wanted to come on live today and do my makeup on camera with you guys again. I am just getting ready. It's my dad's birthday. Happy birthday, Dad. He's 71 today. May the 4th be with you all too. So I'm just having a little family dinner at home with my dad and my sisters and my son. So gonna get ready. It's pretty low key, so you know, just gonna get ready quickly, and it's not gonna take me too long because people are getting here. So I'm gonna just start, and then whoever comes online, what's up? Hope to see you on here. So I've already moisturized my skin, and I'm just concealing slash highlighting. This is not hiding. I'm highlighting and concealing certain areas. I guess it is kind of like hiding, but So last time I went live, I just kind of explained that I like to do my under eye area first so that it kind of dries down, and then when I blend it out, it goes really nice and it gives me more coverage, which is what I want. So I'm going to use regular setting powder. You can see my family down there unloading from the car. So it goes. And then I just use a small kind of fluffy brush like that and just set under the eyes, over the eyelids. Just setting these eyelids of mine. Creepy, not at all. You know, it's just the way of the internet. Don't you worry. I'm gonna go in with my mineral foundation. These guys I make by hand. In case you guys don't know, this is a handmade thing. And so I'm gonna use Glam Tan, which is like my preferred mineral foundation tone for like winter slash spring. Any areas that I've concealed, just gonna go over lightly. Nothing too crazy, but kind of, you know, flawless glam for home time. I really like this brush because it just gives the skin a really nice kind of airbrush finish. Looks really nice and smooth and soft. If I wanted more of a dense coverage, I would go over this with like a setting spray and then go in. Now I'm gonna get straight to contour because why not? So here under the cheekbone, just circular motions. Just warming up. I'm taking, this is the palette. This is my obviously well-used, well-loved palette. I'll just go along the hairline. And then I just kind of smush my brush down like that and just kind of go here. When I'm being like, well, when I'm rushed, let's just say. I'm not lazy, just using my tools to their fullest capacity, you know what I mean? Zine. Now I'm using the warm tone bronzer here, just to warm up this area, like so. Okay, I'm actually gonna do some blush. I'm gonna use this guy again because I really love the color. Blend this guy out. Kind of like a blushing kind of look. I'm gonna use the palette again with a flat brush, and today I think I'm gonna use this golden tone. This is some melt. Just highlighting the Cupid's bow. A little bit on the chin, not a crazy amount. And some here. Center, the nose, just kind of there. So I'm gonna go in with the same brush that I used to contour and just kind of seamlessly blend those together. I'll just do a little bit above this, like that. Just gonna fill in these brows. I'm gonna use these guys. These Stila Brow Liquid Nib, they're thebomb.com. If you have full eyebrows like me, but you just have like little areas that you want to fill, it's amazing. Oh, I'm so excited too because today's the new moon. Oh, it's the new moon in Taurus. For those of you joining right now, it's my dad's birthday today, so he's 71, and he's like serious Taurus vibes, like very grounded, very stubborn sometimes, very stable, gentle soul. Part of my new moon intentions tonight will be for my dad, which I'm really looking forward to doing. 71 years young. I'm just gonna brush these guys through. So yeah, just kind of filling in any areas that I think are a bit more sparse, like that. And this is great for like short feathered strokes, just really lightly. And like that. Yeah, that looks good. Actually, I'll set them in place after I do some eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this little palette. This is from CoverGirl, but I really like the warm colors. I'm thinking to go with this green shirt. I'm gonna use this color. Feeling that. Just like kind of, it's like a, what is this? It's like a smoky bronzy kind of color. I'm gonna put this right on the mobile lid because I don't want too heavy. I'm just looking for, you know, this might be a bit more dramatic than I was thinking, but whatever. It looks cute. So I'm just putting this color with a fluffy brush because I don't want it to be super dark, but even still it's pretty like pigmented, and I'm putting it right on the mobile lid. So you can see it's just the part of the lid that moves, obviously. And then just kind of mapping out the shape that I want. And then I'm gonna use a clean, just like blending brush and soften those edges out. Kind of brushing inwards, you know? And then kind of sweeping it up and towards the tail of my eyebrow. So soft, diffused, and then any areas that look a bit sparse, just kind of pop a bit more color over. And then I will go over that one more time. Soft and smooth. Pretty nice. And I'm gonna use that same color, but I'm gonna use like a smudging brush. I'm gonna show you what I like to do. So to get like a soft diffused under the eye look, I personally like to start with something like this. Map out the shape I'm going for. Connect it at the ends. Pull out to the side. Keep in mind, this is literally like one eyeshadow that I've done all over. So this is what you would call like a diffused halo eye. And with a kind of a tapered blending brush, I'm actually going to use this lightest color from the palette. This is my own personal palette. Please do not judge me, but this one's well used. This one is called Dreamtime. I'm going to use this and then just softly smoke out that area that I just laid down that color. This is more like daytime makeup in my world, and then just smoke it out softly to the side. I used Sun Melt, so this gold tone as my highlight shade here and like all around, and I'm going to use that again with, this is quite a large flat brush, but it's fine for this. Just go ahead and put that in the inner corner right there, and I like to kind of round it in this area. That's kind of the trick with inner corner highlight. You want it to be kind of a soft, diffused edge, not too harsh. And I'm actually going to use the same color here. I don't like to bring any highlight that I do under the eyebrow too far in. Just here, just under the curved area. I don't like to go under there unless you're cutting the eyebrow like with concealer. Don't do it. I'm going to set my eyebrows, brush them up. A full bushy brow is really in right now. In case you guys don't know, I'm sure that's pretty obvious, but as opposed to like the early 2000s when it was like I had like half an eyebrow compared to what I have now. And I love just brushing them up and then slightly, any areas that look out of place, just pushing them into place like so. I personally am partial to a lengthened eyebrow. That one looks a bit longer. There we go. Even it out. Mascara, and then lips, and that's it. Eyebrows looking, thank you. Thank you, my dear. So just going to curl these lashes. Right now I'm wearing my mineral foundation from Earth Minerals and the contour palette. So that's just all natural. The first point of contact on my skin right now is all natural. When I do my mascara, I tend to focus most of the product on the outer corner and just kind of on those outer lashes, really like extend them as much as possible. I find that looks really nice because I'm not doing liner today. It's just pretty chill. You guys know this song? This one's by R2D2? No. Who is it by? This is Ghost Rider by RJD2. This DJ, or I think it's a duo, I'm not sure, but they are dope. Good music is essential too. Good makeup. There we go. So let's get rid of this baby lashes on the bottom here. Please, like, guys, let me know in the comments if there's any like makeup look you want to see me create. I'm still gonna film video tutorials for all the ones that I did for the One of a Kind show. My schedule has just been kind of packed recently, but those are still things that I want to do. Let me know. Let me know if there's something. And so now I'm going to give myself kind of like a 90s nude lip. So what I'm doing right now is I'm using this color. It's a lip liner. It's brown. It's brown like that. Can you see that? I like to line the lips. Like this. And I'm not really being too precise, I'm just lining them to get the shape. Okay. Okay, and then I'm gonna go over with this lip liner, and it's literally like a nude. It's a peachy nude. This is basically how I did my lips the last day of the One of a Kind show, if you guys care to know that. Level of detail. So this nudes out the brown, takes down the intensity, while still allowing you to have a really defined lip border, which looks really nice in my opinion. So this is one way to ombre your lips. Looks really good on camera. And technically would work for black and white photography. And then, I love this color. This is an actual one from Thick Glow. It's called Buck. This is like a peachy nude. And I go over. Ooh, I love this color. And then just anywhere, blend them together. So you see what I mean? It definitely is kind of like a 90s lip, because you're getting that like defined border, and that's literally using 3 colors instead of like a lip liner and a lipstick. So that's kind of it. I am going to, I think I'm pretty good. So that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's my finished look. I'm going to post this now online, but what do you guys think? I like it. It's pretty glowy, soft, pretty natural. This is like my homage to Taurus new moon vibes. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, and I will and I will snap it so you guys can see it later on. Okay? I hope you're all having an amazing Saturday. Happy new moon. Happy birthday to my dad. Today's his birthday. And have a good one, guys. God bless. Mwah. Bye.